Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here to show you the first 3 Traveler's Notebook planners that I have in my new Etsy shop. You can find my Etsy shop at same as my YouTube channel, Monarch Mom DIY, all one word. And I went ahead and did 3 of the size that the most people were interested in. So if you go to Monarch Mom DIY, you search in the shops on Etsy, you will find these 3 planners are listed there first. And as I see how they do, maybe I'll do more 5x6 planners, or I will post also other sizes that people are interested in. So let me quickly, so this video isn't super long, show you these 3 planners. This I called the Floral Traveler's Notebook. It is a B6, which is 5x7 inserts if you've watched my other videos. This is the planner dangle that I made. It is on a lobster clasp, so you can take it off if you don't want it. It's just something cute and extra fun on the side of your planner. On the inside, we have a clear pocket and some laminated cards. These came with the paper pack called Saucy by Authentique that I made this planner from. They can be used as little bookmarks, or you can just keep them in the front here as a fun little, just something fun to see as you open up your planner. Now, I did not show these on my YouTube channel yet, so I'm going to show you. These are the removable covers that I have my inserts. I made these out of some heavy duty plastic sleeves. I don't know if you can see, but it's on the inside, it's cut like a folder, so you can slide whatever scrapbook paper inside that you want. It is not attached to the insert, but the elastics will hold it like it is. So I will tell you which of the inserts I have made removable, changeable covers for. This first one is a blank, undated, sorry, not blank, but undated monthly calendar insert that I created. It's very basic, so you can write in the numbers. You can use number stickers. This side here, I envision you can put the name of the month, or down here at the top or bottom, wherever you have blank days, you know, like if the first is a Thursday or whatever, you can put the name of the month here. So you've got, I believe it's 13 months worth of monthly calendar. The next insert is weekly, and it also has a changeable cover. And here is your weekly layout that I also created for the TNs that I'm going to be making and selling. Basic vertical. Okay, so you've got each day of the week. Your last column says notes. Down here you've got a box that says to do, and here you have meals. Now, these first two inserts are going to be the same on all 3 planners that I show you today. I want to say it was about, gosh, I forgot the count, like 18 weeks worth of weekly calendar here. This is what's called a dashboard, or like a bookmark. You just stick it in. It's decorated with the same paper. You can stick it in on the week you're on to keep your place. All right, your third insert here is a laminated pocket folder. This is, first of all, where I have the pen clip clipped. In this, I have all sorts of goodies for you. I have 2 business card size adhesive pockets that you can add anywhere you'd like in your planner. I have other extra journal cards that go with this paper pack that you can do whatever you'd like with. You can clip them different places, just fun little decorative pieces. These are some stickers that came with the Saucy paper pad. Over here I have more just I don't want to say generic, but general planner things that you could try out and see if you like. Some people like to say what the weather was like on their calendar. Maybe you only want to mark super sunny days, whatever. So I just gave you a sheet of weather stickers to try out. I also gave you some stars, some other planner boxes and check boxes that you can try out. These are some little, these would probably fit, yeah, about 2 of your monthly squares. Or you could fit them wherever you'd like in on your pages. I just tried to give you a sample of different things that you could use in your planner just so you can see what kinds of things you like to use. And the last thing in the folder, I did give you a card. This is just a laminated sleeve with some samples of washi tape. Some people like to use washi tape when they decorate in their planners, so you can try that out and see if you like that. And your last insert has a laminated cover. It is stapled to the lined paper and it's just a lined notebook. All right, now these 3 planners I had made before I created the monthly and weekly calendars, so you also have a laminated cover notebook that is graph paper. This is just a bonus. You could stick this in the middle of your calendar. You could put it on the same elastic as the folder, so the folder is in the middle here. That's the great thing about Traveler's Notebooks. With the elastics, you can add things wherever you want. You also get 3 paper clips. I made these 2. This is just a flower on a large paper clip and a bow on another gold clip, and this is just a heart, a gold heart clip. You can put those wherever you'd like in your planner. All right, so this is the floral laminated B6 Traveler's Notebook on my Etsy shop. Let me quickly show you these other 2 that basically have the same things inside. This is the planner dangle that I created for this one. The colors coordinate. Again, it's on a lobster clasp. Just on this elastic, you could remove it if you'd like. Inside, a pocket with a couple of those laminated cards that I showed you. Your undated monthly calendar with a removable, changeable cover. Same monthly layout. Okay. Your second elastic has a removable, changeable cover with your undated weekly. Then you have your laminated folder. Again, I gave you journal cards and stickers that came with this paper pack. This is called Happy Day by Photoplay. And then again, 2 more adhesive pockets that you can stick wherever you'd like. You could stick them on the outside of a cover. You could stick them on the outside of the folder, wherever you would like. And then again on the right side, I gave you some more general planner stickers in colors that would coordinate. There's your weather stickers, some blues and purples, and then your washi tape sample. I gave you these 4 to coordinate with this paper. Your pen loop, and then your laminated lined paper. Here is your laminated dashboard bookmark, and again the bonus of the laminated graph paper notebook and your 3 clips. This bow is a dark blue to coordinate, and a teal flower on a large clip, and that same gold heart clip. All right, so this one's called Happy Day B6 Traveler's Notebook in my Etsy shop, Monarch Mom DIY. And the third one is this Minnie Mouse. So cute. Here's the planner dangle, pinks and reds. Again on a lobster clasp, you can remove it. I didn't put a pocket on the inside because Minnie's face was there and I didn't want to cover it up. Again, a removable cover, changeable cover that has some paper, and your undated monthly calendar. Next insert is a removable cover and an undated weekly. Next one is your laminated folder. 2 extra pockets. This paper pack unfortunately did not come with any stickers, but it is licensed paper, Mickey and Minnie, and there are many stickers available. But I did give you plenty of the more generic or general planner stickers still to try with this. And these are the washi tape samples. I don't know if you can see that very well. There we go. To coordinate with the Minnie Mouse theme. There is a little bit of Mickey in here too. You'll see there's both of them. Red sparkly elastic pen loop and a laminated cover for your lined paper insert. Has quite a few pages. And then here is your laminated dashboard bookmark. And I did put a pocket at the back and put in a mini card that I created. Let's see, one more thing to show you, if I can get this open. Okay, your clips, a black flower on a large clip, a red bow on a regular size gold paper clip, and the gold heart, laminated cover with the graph paper notebook. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Again, these are in my new Etsy shop. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think about these, what other sizes. I do have lots of different themes of papers. Some more of this size are already in the making. And I'm also working on the 3.5 by 5.5 pocket size. I will probably be doing a tutorial soon of the standard size. And again, those were the tall, narrow, what is a traditional traveler's notebook. So thanks guys for watching. Please be sure to like and comment on this video and subscribe if you have not already. Take care.